Hey everyone! In this video, we'll be looking into the Gemini Pro Vision model using Python. Now to run the model, make sure that you have the Google Generative AI package installed and you also have the API key imported into your notebook so that you can access the model and the API. Now the first thing that we need to do is actually create the model, the Gemini Pro Vision model. The Gemini Pro Vision model takes in both text as well as image inputs. So to test out with different sample images, what you can do is download the images inside the file section here and save them so that you can access them into your code. Now what I'm going to do first is create the model using this command. Then what we're going to do is read the image that's there inside the files folder, and this is going to read the image. Now, this image is actually of an Indian cricket player called Rohit Sharma. He's the captain of Team India currently. And what I'm going to do is pass this image to the generate underscore content method and see what the model is going to give us as a response. As you can see, it has given us a good response like Rohit Sharma is an Indian international cricketer who plays for the Indian cricket team as a right-handed opening batsman and occasional right-arm off-break bowler. He's the vice captain of the Indian cricket team in limited overs formats. So pretty good response. So this is the way, like if you want to generate a response, a text-based response based on an image, all you got to do is pass into the generate underscore content method. Now, in this tutorial, we'll be looking into three different kinds of methods or three different ways in which we're going to test different prompts and see what kind of response it's going to give for those images. Now, this is another method here called as curl-o. You give a name to an image called as cheetah.jpg, and here you're going to pass in the URL of the image. So when you run this command, it's going to automatically import the image from a URL. So this is the second method that you can use to import an image into your code. Now the first thing that we're going to do again is write a blog post using an image. I'll be using an image called as cheetah.png. And over here, I'm going to see what kind of response it's going to give to a prompt like write a short, engaging blog post of 2000 words based on this picture. So we're going to see what the model is going to generate for this image. And let's see what is the response. This is a pretty good response for 2000 words, and it's a blog post and it has created within seconds. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is actually compare two images. So the first one is basically importing an image of chocolate, and this one over here is importing an image of best cookies. And what we're going to do here is actually give a prompt which is going to give us the similarities and differences between the two images. So let's see what the model has generated. As you can see, it has created a good response. It's talking about the different types of desserts, and it's saying that the first one is chocolate truffles, which it is, and the second one is about cookies, chocolate chip cookies, and it's saying what truffles are made up of, and it's saying what cookies are made up of. So it's a pretty good blog post. Now, the last one is actually using an image and creating a story out of it. So again, I'm going to import an image of New York City, and I'm going to pass in a prompt, write a story based on this image. It should be 1000 words. So let's see what kind of story the model is going to generate for us. This is the image, and we're going to look into the response. So this is a story that it has generated for New York City. It's really good. I liked it. So that's all for this video. We have learned the different ways in which you can use the Gemini Pro Vision model. Stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching.